Okay, I am so excited about this box. So you may remember when I did the Vendue Classic Clutch from LM Products ages ago. And theirs is a really unique take on the envelope clutch. And ever since then, I've been eyeballing the Wentworth Tote. That tote is so popular and was never in stock. And I kept watching and watching and watching. And finally, Tyler, thank you, Tyler, he made one for me. So that is what this is. I'm smiling like a total nerd because I think this bag could be, it could be that unicorn tote. That is the tote that you can wear during the week because it fits your laptop, and that is the tote that you could also wear during the weekend because it's not that structured and it's not that formal, but it's formal enough you can take it to the office. So I have a feeling this could be a unicorn 7-day-a-week bag. It's funny, as I'm opening this, I'm reminded that my husband goes, "Are you not going to pre-open that? It always takes you like so long to get in there." And I said, "I'm not going to." That way people know it's authentic. This is so cute. The little sticker. I like it. It's proud to be American made, 3 generations deep. You know, LM Products actually originally was a guitar strap, still is, but how they got their start. I know, I always like to see how the bags are packaged. Packaged very clean. I'll do this to make sure you can see it. So they got their start with guitar straps, and I think they're still one of the largest guitar strap makers in the world. But lucky for me, they've branched out into leather goods, because it's highly unlikely I'm going to be taking up the guitar anytime soon. I think it's safe to say I'm not musically inclined. Holy moly, let me put this down. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. When I get excited, I get super clumsy. Look at this beautiful bag. Okay, let's get in there. Without further ado, wow, look at this beauty. It's so beautiful. I can't even stand it. It is so soft. That is my first impression. You never know when you see a bag online if it's going to come across really structured, really stiff. It is not. You can see it's like already very soft. Look at this snap closure. I feel like a lot of bags don't have any closure at all, and I'm moving more and more into bags that do. What's in here? A little present for me. Look at that. Thank you. So cute. I wish that you could see the detail on the leather. It is so thick, and the seams are straight as can be. I'm so particular, but this one hits the mark. Their stuff, it's first class, American made, beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this detail. It's braided. I'm gonna say braided for lack of a better word, but key fob with a key ring, a pocket in there for my phone and all my odds and ends. Unlined suede. Oops, I just hit myself in the face. Unlined suede. You guys, this bag. This is it. This is that weekend work tote that you've been dreaming of, that I've been dreaming of. Two-tone. Matches with every single thing. Stay tuned for my full review. This is the Wentworth Tote coming to you from LM Products. Look at this. You know I like this thing last time on the Vendue clutch. I'm going to show it to you one more time. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I got all stressed out. Should I start? Okay, tell me when to start.